I'm not going to pretend that I understand depression. Recently I had a conversation with my coworkers about how depression feels, and I confessed to them that I've never felt depressed. I know a lot of people throw the word depression around, and I've been sad, but I've never felt depressed. But I know how it feels to be overworked, unappreciated. I know how it feels to feel inadequate. Sometimes I like to take a break from everything that I'm doing, take a pause on all my projects and all of my expectations that people have of me, all of my responsibilities, all my deadlines, and say, I need to do something for me. No stipulations, no timelines, no client, nobody wanting something from me. I'm doing something for myself. So that's what this project is. The goal is for a mental release and decompression.
You made me rip that all apart now, and there is no remedy. And I'm like, oh, hey, oh, I don't know how far this goes, and oh, hey, whoa, yeah, I don't know where this ship will go. What you do to me, there's nothing left to see. You broke my heart in two. Now I'm stuck looking for you. What you do to me, maybe it's my dignity. You made me rip that whole apart now, and now I'm begging on my knees. What you do to me, there's nothing left to see. You left me in the dark now. Don't come be fake with me. What I do to you, oh baby, what I do to you, and I'm like, oh, yeah, oh, baby, I don't know how far this goes.
I don't have all the answers when it comes to mental health. I know that there are a lot of smart people, a lot smarter people than me that could give you some help. But if you do feel like the weight of the world is on your shoulders, just so you know, first of all, you're strong enough to handle it. You can get up every day, you can face those demons, and you can win. And second of all, even though you can do it and you are strong enough, you don't have to do it alone. There are tons of people, whether you know them or not, that are 100% willing to help you out with those struggles. Reach out to somebody and let them know what you're going through. You have no idea how someone else's experiences could help you and impact your life.